Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving you own the machine and gathering the items that legitimately store the recovery key. Check the Microsoft account tied to the device, any Azure Active Directory or on-premises Active Directory records, and any physical backups like printed notes or exported TXT/BEC files on USB drives. Once you have those accounts and media identified, make sure you can sign into the accounts or access the media. That will determine which legitimate recovery path you follow next. Now systematically check each authorized repository for the recovery key. Sign into the Microsoft account associated with the PC and view the Devices or Bitlocker Recovery Keys section. If it's an organizational device, request the key from IT, who can query Azure AD or Active Directory. Also search encrypted backups, network shares, and removable USB drives for exported recovery key files. Once you find a key, verify it matches the numeric ID shown by the locked system before attempting when you have a verified recovery key from an authorized source, use the system's built-in BitLocker recovery prompt to enter the key and restore access. Once unlocked, suspend BitLocker or decrypt only after confirming files and backups. Immediately back up the recovery key to a Microsoft account, Azure/AD, and a secure physical location so you don't repeat this. If you cannot locate an authorized key, stop and contact the device owner, your IT department, or official Microsoft support. Attempting to bypass encryption is unsafe and unsupported.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.